What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Rooted Nature. In this video, we are going to be starting our pepper seeds, which is 10 weeks before our last frost day. Okay, so before I get into this video, I just want to explain everything I have. So I have some trays. Now these are from Greenhouse Mega Store. I have my soil. I do have to actually pre-moisten this though. And of course, we have our seeds. And I have duct tape because that's what I'm going to be writing the tags with. I'm putting on the side just because I don't have any tags with me right now, but I will make tags as soon as I get them. Alright, so now I have put water in here, so we're just going to mix it up so it can be fully pre-moistened, so the seeds will have a better chance of germinating. I pre-moisten my soil. Everybody don't pre-moisten their soil, but I just had better luck pre-moistening my soil because I use Pro Mix and it's very fluffy, and sometimes you have to work in the water to get first like moist. But after this, I won't have to like water after I put the seeds in there. I'll probably water it one time, and then when they germinate, that's when I'll start really watering them. But if they do get dry, I will water them. So, yep. But I put a little too much dirt or salt in this thing. I might have to add a little bit extra water. You don't want it soaking wet, you just want it moist. So, yep. So, now that we're done with this, we'll sit back over there and we will focus on the main thing, which is the seeding. So we have to fill up the tray, and then, yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna fill up the tray, like I said. So here I got everything from how much, what I'm going to be growing, how much of what I'm going to be growing, and all that. Alright, so now it's time to plant the seeds. So I'm actually going to look in here and see how much or how many ounces we plant of each variety. So we're going to start with the red cherry sweet pepper, which is 6, so it's just one of these little squares. And how I'm planting them is we're just making a little ditch into the soil. I'll show you all in a second. And I'm just dropping the seed in. And alright, y'all, so next on the list is Edgevarsky. So let's look for Edgevarsky. Yes. And I'm gonna just do the same thing. Alright, so now is when the duct tape comes in here, because it's right here. I'm gonna lift this up, put it right there. Now this was sweet red cherry. Alright, so the next one is this pepper. I don't know how to pronounce it. It looks like a spicy pepper, but actually it's a sweet pepper. And we're gonna put the seeds right in them two. Alright, so I just planted Mini Bell right here, these two, and the next two will be Cubanelle, and then after Cubanelle will be Yellow Monster, and after Yellow Monster will be Chinese Giant. Alright y'all, so now I'm over here. I've done finished these. I done went through all the varieties on another video, so I'll link that video down in the description below. But I'm doing my lunchbox peppers in this one. I'm going to do 3 purples, and then I'm miscounting, obviously. So I have 3 extras, but I'm about to look at my seeds and find something to plant there. But the lunchbox has its own tag, because it's from Berlin Seed. Let's see if I can get it up. It's called the Lunchbox Mix, but on here it says Yummy Mix, and it says Mini Bell Peppers. But so that's gonna be that whole little section right here. Alright y'all, so now we are done planting. So we have Tangerine Dream and Sunbright right here. Sunbright Dream, Sunbright Bell Pepper, Tangerine Dream right here. These 3 are Purple Bell, and then this is Lunchbox Mix. So we're done with peppers. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye, y'all.